Welcome to Soulfood Desserts 101, the beginner's guide to Southern sweets, where we dive into the heartwarming world of traditional Southern desserts. From the rich, buttery flavors of peach cobbler to the creamy, dreamy texture of banana pudding, these sweets are more than just treats. They're a piece of history. Today, we're going to explore some of the most beloved recipes that have been passed down through generations, bringing comfort and joy to many. Let's start our sweet journey with the classic peach cobbler, a staple at many Southern gatherings. This dessert typically combines fresh, juicy peaches with a buttery crust, often enjoyed with a scoop of vanilla ice cream on top. We'll go through a simple recipe that even beginners can follow, ensuring that you can recreate this delightful dish in your own kitchen. The key ingredients and their perfect proportions are crucial for achieving that homemade taste and comforting texture. Next up, let's whip up some heavenly banana pudding, another beloved treat in the world of Southern desserts. This creamy delight is perfect for any occasion and features layers of vanilla-flavored custard, bananas, and soft vanilla wafers. We'll break down each step of the recipe, from creating the smooth, rich custard to layering your bowl with bananas and wafers for that ultimate dessert experience. Don't forget the final touch, a generous sprinkle of whipped cream on top. Another favorite that no Southern dessert list would be complete without is sweet potato pie. Often associated with Thanksgiving, this pie blends the natural sweetness of sweet potatoes with spices like nutmeg and cinnamon for a truly festive treat. We'll ensure you know all the tips and tricks to make this pie a standout, including how to achieve that perfectly flaky crust and the best spices to enhance the sweet potato filling. No discussion of Southern desserts could end without mentioning the iconic red velvet cake. Known for its distinctive red color and velvety texture, this cake is the epitome of Southern baking. From the origins of its unique color to the smooth cream cheese frosting that typically adorns it, we'll cover everything you need to create this masterpiece yourself. Get ready to impress at your next gathering with a perfectly moist and rich red velvet cake that might just steal the show.